Hi, my name is Saki. Today, we will be unboxing the Juniper EX4100-H-12MP ruggedized switch. The EX4100H series is a ruggedized, scalable switching solution for outdoor and extreme conditions with an extended operating temperature range of -40 degrees to 75 degrees Celsius. Let's get straight to the unboxing. Inside the box, you'll find two smaller boxes, one containing the power supply and the other housing the switching itself. Additionally, there are cables to connect the power supply to the switch and to the power source. First, let's take a look at the switch. The 12-port EX4100H model is designed for fanless operation built around a large passive heatsink. On the front, all ports are covered by dust-proof covers. You have 12 PoE++ ports that support up to 60 Watt of PoE output. The first 4 ports support up to 2.5 gigabit per second, while the remaining ports are gigabit ports. The switch also features 4 10 gigabit per second SFP+ ports, 2 for uplink, and 2 that support virtual chassis and can be reconfigured to use as uplink. On the top, you'll find a dedicated out-of-band management port, a USB Type-A host port, and 2 console ports, a standard RJ45 serial connector, and a USB-C console port. The reset button allows you to perform a switch reset by pressing and holding it. You'll need a pin to reach it in case you ever need to use it. The mode selector button and LED status lights are also located here on the switch. The switch supports 3 alarm ports, 2 input and 1 output. These can be connected to third-party devices like doors and sensors for input and a bell or a light as output. Actions can be configured through the CLI and MIS dashboard. Here is your protective ground terminal, which should be used to earth the device properly after installation. On the right-hand side of the switch, there's a Kensington lock socket. On the left-hand side, you'll find a label with your MAC address, serial number, and claim code, as well as QR code. You can use the claim code to manually claim the switch in the MIS dashboard, or use the MIS AI mobile app to scan the QR code. The switch supports up to 2 external power supplies, and the second power supply needs to be purchased separately. You can use a combination of 2 AC power supplies or 2 DC power supplies. Also, 1 AC and 1 DC power supplies can be used at the same time. You will need to use the supplied cable to connect the power supply to the switch and to your power source. The EX4100H-12MP must be installed in an IP54 or an NEMA4 enclosure for all outdoor and non-office installations. The switch must be installed in a cabinet or an enclosure, regardless of whether it is installed outdoors or indoors. The default mounting option for the EX4100H-12MP switch is desktop mount. Other mounting kit options can be purchased separately, including the EX4100H-12MMK, EX4100H-12RMDLK, EX4100H-12RMK, and EX4100H-12WMK. And there you have it. For more information, check out the library at ainetworking.club. Please like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content. Thank you for watching.